Hi, I am Candice Sage G. Ikoy, a student from Mapua University. So I will be briefly discussing about the contact angle measurement. So first, contact angle is an angle formed by a liquid at the three-phase boundary where a liquid, gas, and solid intersect. So the well-known Young equations describes the balance at the three-phase contact of the solid, liquid, and gas. So, contact angle has been an important parameter to determine the wearing ability of the polymer membrane surface. Contact angle has gained interest in surface science in regards to its fundamental aspects and application point of view. So now how to measure contact angle. Both optical and force tensiometry can be used to measure contact angles. So optical tensiometry is the best choice when liquid-solid interactions and/or solid properties such as surface free energy are measured on samples that are not homogeneous and regular in size and shape. So the main benefits are small liquid volume demanded, only some microliters. Solid substrate can be asymmetrical, such as contact lenses, as an example, and both sides of the samples don't need to be similar, such as coating and surface modification characterizations. While force tensiometry is a dynamic contact angles can be measured by using sigma-force tensiometer. So force tensiometer measures the mass affecting to the balance when a sample of solid is brought in contact with a test liquid. So the force tensiometry is an excellent choice when dynamic contact angles on homogeneous, regularly shaped samples needed to be measured. So analysis of single fibers, such as wetting of hair, is handled easily by our sensitive force tensiometer.